to my channel, The Games Miniature Toys. Today I am going to unbox 1936 Ford Coupe car by Matchbox. So this is the car, 1936 Ford, manufactured by Metal Bangkok. So let us flip the car, how it looks. So this is the car pack. Let us open this and see how does it look. So this is the car we get after opening the pack. So very beautifully designed vintage car. So you can see the headlight painted. So usually they don't paint the headlights, but here they have painted, which looks very nice detailing. So this is the side, this is the top, and you can see the bottom metallic, very smooth. This doesn't have any suspension like premium cars. This is normal Hot Wheels type car by Matchbox. This doesn't have any suspension. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Do like, subscribe for many more such videos. Thank you. Bye.